Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Pandas Global. This is the 44th video in this Google Ads course, and in this video we are going to tell you about location targeting in Google Ads. Well guys, location targeting is pretty important thing in Google because if you are not targeting your locations properly in your Google Ads campaign, then you will not be able to run effective and efficient ad campaign. Also, your money will be get wasted, totally waste. So this video is to make you understand that how you can use the location targeting feature in Google Ads in order to target the location and the audience properly and bring out the best out of your every penny. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, this is one of the most important video in this Google Ad course series because without setting up the locations, you can't just run ads. So you have to set your locations properly according to your business. Okay. After setting up the locations, you will be able to run your ads. So let's understand why we need to set up the locations. Let's take an example of a real estate business. Okay, so suppose there is a real estate project in Delhi, which is in the city, which is the city in country. Suppose there is a real estate project in Delhi, which is the city in India, and the project is in very posh location, which means very costly location. And you know that every people can't buy in that particular place. So you have to set the locations where your targeted audience lives, which means the people who can afford that particular project. So you have to find out those locations where rich people lives, and you can target those particular locations in order to get the quality leads or quality buyers for that particular project, right? So that's how you can leverage the location setting tools. Okay, now let's understand these tools properly. So before we go further, which means before we talk about directly location, we have already talked about network earlier, as we have already told you what is search network and what is display network. Right now we are talking about location. So in locations we have only three options. The first one is all countries and territories, which means if you choose this particular option, then your ad will be run all over the world. So this is not a practical option. Nobody use this option because this is just a waste of money. Because if you run your ads all over the world, then there will be no any conversion or no any sales. So if you are a business, then you will not use this all countries and territories option definitely. Then we have country specific. My account is showing India because I live in India and this account is in India right now, so it is showing India. But if you are from Canada, it would show the Canada here, and if you are from United States, it would show United States. So this is country specific. I can target this. If I click on this, then my ad will be run all over the country, which is India in my case. Okay, but if I want to choose another location, then I have to click on this. Okay, and I'll be able to choose another location. Let's say I want to choose Canada. I can directly target Canada over here. As you can see, this is the Canada country. I just have to click on target and the reach will be this one. Okay, let me remove this. Now let's take one more example. Let's say I have a digital marketing company, which we already have. So if we have a digital marketing company and we want to sell digital marketing course, okay, so it is an online course and we want to sell it to all over the country because everyone can learn online, right? So in this case, I would select this and my location is set because I will run my digital marketing course ads in all over the country, in all over India. Okay, now change this example a little bit more. Let's say I have a digital marketing agency, but right now I want to teach only just offline students, which means I am providing only offline course right now. So in that case, I would have to select this one, enter another location, and here I have to search the city where my agency is located in and where I want to teach or where I want to provide that offline class. Okay, so let's say I am in Delhi right now and my agency is also in Delhi. So I can write Delhi, and here is the Delhi India Union Territory option. I can choose this one and it will target whole Delhi. Okay, so let's click on target. So as you can see, Delhi is selected as a targeted location. Now let's say I want to target the nearby locations of Delhi as well. So the nearby cities are Noida, which means I can target multiple locations or multiple cities as well. Let's say Noida, then Gurugram. Okay, so these are the nearby cities of Delhi, and I have selected all these three cities where I want to show my ads. But let's say my institute is in the middle of the city, which is in Delhi. The place name is Preedviar. Okay, suppose. Then, as you know, a student can reach only nearby institutes. Let's say a 10 kilometers. Okay, so if a student lives 10 kilometers far from my institute, then that particular student can reach my institute. Otherwise, if they live far from that, they will not be able to reach. So I have to retarget the locations. Okay, so click on this advanced search. Now here are two options, location wise and radius wise. So location wise I already have selected. Okay, so now remove these and click on radius wise. So as I've already told you that institute or my agency is in Preet Vihar, which is in Delhi. Okay, this is the Delhi. So let's choose the location, which is Preet Vihar, Delhi. So once I click here, it will show only within the 20 miles of radius. It will show my ads only within the 20 miles of radius. Okay, but I want to change this into kilometers. That is totally up to you. If you are comfortable with miles, then you can go with this. I'm comfortable with kilometers, so I'm choosing kilometer and changing this to 10. Now as I've selected, wait a sec, already I have selected this one, so I have to remove this because the targeted location is already set here, 20 miles around Preet Vihar. So remove this one and select again Preet Vihar. So once I click here, it is set now. As you can see, 10 kilometers around Preet Vihar. Now my ads would be shown only within the radius of 10 kilometers around Preet Vihar. So that's how you can target your locations according to your business niche. Okay, according to your business nature. Now there's a small question that there's a different types of businesses over there. Now there's a small question that which type of targeting is good for your business. Well, that's why I have given the example so that you can understand that if you are an offline or you are an online business, you have to figure out that where your potential audience or where your potential target lives. After figure it out, then only you will be able to target your locations, whether it is on location base or radius base or city wise or country wise. That is totally up to you. So you have to figure it out that what is your business nature and what is your business targeted audience. Now once you have selected the location, just click on save and your location will be saved here. Your targeted location is saved here. Now if we click on this location options, we'll see some more options over here. The first one is target. And in target options, we have three options. The first one is presence or interest. People in regularly in or who. The first one is presence or interest. People in regularly in or who've shown interest in your targeted locations. So if we select this one, then people who regularly show interest in our targeted locations will also see our ad. But in our case, as we have a digital marketing institute and we are providing an offline course, so people who are interested in our location will not be a perfect audience for us. Okay, because the course will be for around 3 months and the people who live in that particular location, those can only reach my institute to learn that particular course. So in this case, I have to choose this option according to me, because the second option is presence people or regularly in your targeted locations, which means people who live regularly or they go regularly in that particular targeted location. So I have to select this one according to me, although it is recommended by Google Ads, but you have to understand according to your business that what your business needs. Okay, so in my case I have to select this one. And there's one more option, search interest, people searching for your targeted location. Let's just forget the institute or digital marketing institute example and let's take the real estate example again. So I have a real estate project in Preet Vihar. That can be my perfect audience. And the second location I can target is people who are searching for that location, because if they are searching for that location, which means they are showing interest, they are interested in that particular location and they might buy a home in that particular location as well. So in that case, I have to select this one as well. So I have to choose, or you can say I have to create two campaigns here where I can choose this one in the first one and will choose this one in the second one. So you have to be specific sometimes in order to success in your Google Ads journey. Then we have some more options over here. The exclude option. The exclude option is used if you want to exclude any kind of location or any kind of targeted audience you want. So the first one is presence, people in your excluded locations. So if you want to exclude any location, and in order to exclude the location, you just have to search here. Okay, let's say I have searched Lakshmi Nagar, which is near Preet Vihar. Okay, let's search Nirman Vihar, which is near Preet Vihar. So this is the, as you can see, this is the postal code. Okay, I just have to click on not on target, I just have to click on exclude, and this location will be excluded location. Okay, and as you can see, I have selected people in your excluded locations. It is recommended by Google as well. So people in excluded locations will automatically removed from my Google Ads location. Okay, then we have one more option, presence or interest, people in regularly in shown or who've shown interest in your excluded location. So in exclude option we have two options. The first one is people who are in the location, okay, and the second one is people who shows interest in that particular location. So whom you want to exclude. Again, this one is also you have to figure it out if you want to exclude any location and which type of exclusion you want. So that's it with the location settings in Google Ads. I hope you understand each and everything. And if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll try to answer those questions. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.